already part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for future uploads. Also, you guys, go ahead and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, that way you guys don't miss out when I post new videos. So, after my long ass intro, let's get right into the video. So, I've been slacking. Let's just say that to start off with, before you guys watch this video and be like, dang girl, like what do you be doing? Like, I got other stuff I be doing. So yeah, I've been slacking. But I have I've been slacking on like my organizing and like just throwing away random papers and just throwing away random stuff that I don't need. Like, I haven't been organizing my high traffic spots, I want to say. So that's what I'm gonna get done. I have 3 major things that I want to do today. Pretty much let me just show you. Might as well just show you, right? So this is like my dresser. This is like another separate thing so I can put more stuff on, because we just have so many products and so much stuff, and like we do use them, but like not all the time, so I just keep them here. I kind of did this one this morning. There was a whole bunch of stuff piled on top of here. I couldn't even see what the heck was under there. So I kind of got that done this morning, but I still have all of this to do. I still have a few more things that I have to get done in my room. And then my bathroom, I'm going to take everything off of my counter. I'm just going to take everything out the bathroom and literally get on my hands and knees and scrub my floor with Comet and like cleaner, and just get that all cleaned, you know? And then, let's see. Now, this is embarrassing. Don't judge me. This is embarrassing. That's why I come on here and make these videos, because I know I'm not the only one with 3 little kids. I have 3 little kids, by the way, if you didn't know. But I'm not the only one that has a messy house. I'm not. So that's why I make these videos, and I do it. You guys know I make time-lapse cleaning videos, because it's like, it gives people motivation to get up and start actually cleaning. I watch time-lapse videos on YouTube by other YouTubers. So, hey, it's just what I'm into. It's what I like to do and what I like to share. Look at my living room. Okay. Let me just give you the backstory on how my living room got like this, because I clean every day. I'm home every day. I clean every day. It's not like I just abandoned. But yesterday, my man was off of work. So typically when he's off of work, for some reason, I feel like it's my day off as well, because I like to just chill with him. And yeah, we just, just chill. I don't want to clean on his day off because I want to chill with him. So yesterday, we decided to get in the car and go to Fort Lauderdale to handle some of our business stuff. So we left probably around 12 o'clock. So I kind of was chilling with him, and I kind of just let the kids, I told the kids, just go in the living room, go play, do whatever you want. Like, just leave me alone. Today's the day. Just leave me alone, and I'll deal with it tomorrow. This is the result of my living room now. And there goes the 2 little baddies right there that did the mess. But this is, you see, like, my table's still kind of put together, like my couch and stuff, but like, this is my living room right now. So we are going to get things cleaned up. I also want to change my living room around. I think I'm going to move my couches around. The only thing that I hate is that like my cable box can only be placed in 2 places, which is where it is now and where I'm going to move it. I'll show you guys. You'll see it in the video when I move it around. So it's kind of disappointing, because I want to move my living room like a completely different way around, but my cable box won't reach. So I gotta like talk to my man to see if he could like put an extension on it or something. I don't know what to do. But enough of me talking. Oh, this is my cleaning outfit for today. I got on some like blue Spanx. I got on my little house slippers. As you guys see in my other videos, I had on my man's long ass slides, and y'all was making fun of my shoes in the video. Don't do that. These are mine, okay? These are mine. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be cracking on nothing that's going on in my house. Don't be judging me. Don't be judging me, because I bet if you make a video of your house and you cleaning your house, I'll have something to judge you about. So let's not even judge. Let's get right into the video, because it is like 9:30 right now. I don't even know what time is it. It's like 9:30 right now. My son has to be back on his school, computer work, whatever it is, at 11:05. and I'm gonna see how much I could get done in that time. So let's get right into the video. Let's get into the video. Also, you guys, if you don't have me on Snapchat, you need to go add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is Mom is Bomb with 2 B's. So instead of Mom is Bomb, it's Mom is Bomb with 2 B's. I just posted a picture of this. This is like the bomb. This is the bomb. This is the bomb. This is the bomb. Y'all need to go try some. Go to Winn-Dixie, get you a 4-case pack for $10. Get you Tropical Island soda. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. Enough. I gotta get cleaning. So I'm gonna set my timer on. I'm gonna get right into it. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Hope you guys get motivated.
I'm running away from this pain. I'm trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free. I'm trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a